Alrighty, so my name is Oscar. I'm here at Mr. Bhatia's house. He's here with me, gonna hold the camera for us. We're at his beautiful house. It is 12/17, 60 degrees. This is the shingle that we are gonna be working with. I know it's hard to see the damage, but that's where we're at. So this shingle is discontinued. No other shingle I was able to find was comparable. It was either too small or too large. Which, if it's not a perfect fit, won't bring this back to pre-loss condition. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to repair this by just using the same shingle again, since we can't make it, just to see the condition of the roof and to see if this roof is even repairable. All right, so first step, this is the shingle. Let me get my chalk. All right, so the area that we're going to be messing with, right there. All right, it's a pretty big area just for one shingle. Let's see what it do. Using the pry bar is the best tool for this job. That's all done. Yep. You see, I was being very lightly just to unseal this. This is cracked, ripped, mat transfer, not good. Next level above. Okay. So everything is up now. Now I just need to take out the shingles for the nails. Okay, there's one. As you see, I'm being very gentle, not to create any unnecessary damage, but just enough to be able to get this shingle out. Okay, this nail don't want to come out. Okay, it's unsealed, so we'll just have to skip it. This one is the same. Because this is so tight on the top, it's hard to get this under to get the nail. As you can see, this is a struggle. This is not going to be an easy repair to do for Mr. Bhatia. All right, so this one's another galvanized look, unsealed. There you go. Nope, not this one again. I'm gonna have to manually go in and get that one. Got another. Should be just a couple left. It's gotta be this top row. Come on, baby. This one should be good. As you can see, not once did I ever lift the shingle above 45 degrees, only enough to be able to get the nail out. Okay. Must be over here. To pop this one out. Okay. Woo! All right. So as you can see, the shingle is very damaged, starting to crack where the nail holes are, and it's very brittle. Right? Look, damaged here. Similar to that. Similar to that. So now, we're gonna simulate repairing this. Let's pretend this is a brand new shingle, no damage. First, starting to see granule loss here on the top. Some here, some here. Not too much here. This one looks good, but again, the bottom doesn't. So, now the fun part, the hammering. Let's see what this does to Mr. Bhatia's roof. Okay. Looks like it's in a good spot. Making sure I'm not in any hole that's already been there. Only lifting to get this full hammer swing. Seems like the wood is soft. It's not holding it very well. That should be good. Man. So the reason this is difficult is because the nail can't go in on an angle. If it does, it will allow air or water to get in through that hole. So it needs to be in straight. That's the only reason we're lifting. How is someone supposed to get a nail into there? So again, this is simulating the problem with repairing this roof. There's a wind damage shingle here, so this is happening on the 3rd level. But for here, you can come with me, Mr. Bhatia, real quick. See, with this one, it's going to affect these above, and it's going to compromise the integrity of them.
Can you show it again?
Yep.
Show it again.
So this is the damaged shingle. It's going to compromise these. However, every time we lift it up, it's going to create a ripple effect. And it's just going to keep going up, keep unsealing it, and keep making more damage, right? The more damage for repairing one doesn't make this roof better. It doesn't bring it back to pre-loss condition. It's just going to continue to happen. It's going to keep going up to the roof until the ridge vent has to be replaced. Realistically, we should be replacing the ridge vent here to get under this to do this. One repair. So let's finish up and look at the result. Okay, for this, I'm just gonna put this in here.
And this you're putting outside on the roof, right?
Yep. So again, it's kind of like a tarp. It's like a roof nail, because we're not going to be able to get it under to keep it. So biggest thing is holding in the shingle in place.
Okay. And what about the shingles that are completely damaged? Can you change the shingles?
So again, in order to do that, we have to do everything that we just did. Now, let me get my chalk and show you the damage that was created for doing this. Where did I put that? All right. So excluding this, because I couldn't fit in the shingle, don't look like it's affected too bad. Oh, here we go. Boom.
What are you trying to mark?
So creases, right? So you see how the shingle is losing granules here? And that's because of the manipulation of the shingle. Not because of the shingle, not because of anything else, but because of this repair. The repair made more damage. Oh, there we go. All right. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Technically 6 shingles, 7 were affected. In order to repair 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 shingles had to be altered and messed up. So to repair 7 to damage 10 does not make sense. This will not bring it back to pre-loss condition. This fail is 100% a fail. Excuse me. This repair is 100% a fail. We'll be doing Mr. Bhatia disjustice just by replacing shingles and not by replacing this whole facet. Thank you so much for your time. My name is Oscar. I'm going to take before and after pictures. Looks like Mr. Bhatia has a question.
Yeah, you said something about the size of the shingle.
Yes. So after this, I'm going to get the shingle that we're pulling down from here, and I'm going to show it with the architectural shingle. This shingle is too short, this shingle is too long than the architectural that they make now, so it will never be a perfect fit.
Got it. And those shingles are not available, the one that we have on the roof, right?
Correct. Okay. And that is why we were requesting State Farm come take their own RLS. While they do that, we will be getting our own ITEL to compare, to make sure that we treat Mr. Bhatia fair and get him re-roofed. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
God bless.